Are you calling me a little monster?
You are a little monster. Little monsters eat free on Sundays. We just got word there's a nationwide shortage of Beyond Meat, you guys. There is a crisis on our hands in the US. Oh my god, what are we gonna do without Beyond Meat in this country? You guys, check this out. You come here on Sundays, you get a free kids meal with every adult entree. So as you can see here, it was a free kids meal and a free entree because it was my birthday. We actually only paid $7.90 for 3 meals. That's ridiculous, you guys. 3 meals for $7.90. We got 3 bowls. Love this place. It's the best. 3 bowls for $7.90. You can't beat that. So just to get the free birthday bowl, all you have to do is register their Freebirds app, and every time you go there, you scan your receipt, the barcode on your seat like this. You scan it and you get points, and every 10th or 11th burrito, you get a free burrito, and every birthday you get a free burrito. That's why I combined the free kids meal with the free birthday burrito to get 3 bowls for only $7.90. It's time for my sweet little doll to fly away. She's going back to LA, her hometown, but we'll see you soon. I miss you so much. I'll be looking at your pictures the whole day.
You don't even pay attention to me.
I know.
All day.
But I will now. Safe travels, baby. Be safe and have a good time. Love you.
Learning about all the different benefits of turmeric, but it's actually been around for a really long time. In today's class, we're going to talk sort of what makes turmeric so great, the ways that it supports our body. We'll also talk about a little bit of the history of turmeric, how long it's been around. And then at the end, I've got a couple of ways that you guys can try turmeric, as well as some different suggestions to get more into your daily routine, I guess.
Do you want to dance?
Coffee shops, they sell golden milk for like $8 a cup. How much would you say each cup costs if you make it yourself?
This guy right here, I would have to check the price on it. This has 30 servings in it, so you're less than $1. A lot cheaper. Absolutely. Golden milk in there.
How is it?
It's not sweet, but it's nutritious.
Do you like it?
It's good.
Oh, good. Here.
How's the flavor?
It's a good thing the carrots are in there. It does sweeten it up just a tiny bit.
This is the RW Carrot Ginger Turmeric Organic.
More or less of the thing I've done, like by itself.
It's very similar to the one I had at Cha-Cha Matcha at Beverly Hills. The golden milk there was probably the best. Not bad for homemade, especially from a formula that you buy in the store. It's like off the shelf.
Do you want to dance?
I won the door prize, guys! Free bottle of turmeric supreme. This is awesome. And Gaia brand is the bomb. I really love Gaia. Thank you so much. I brought some packed lunch for you, baby. It's in the car. I made you avocado toast, your favorite. I love you.